Hello penny pinchers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 NFT penny stocks that you should have on your radar right now. Now obviously we all know some other plays that are not penny stocks. One of the main ones right now is going to be ticker symbol TKAT, Takung Art. And this one actually hit highs today of about $73, a little bit higher than that, about $74. I was actually in this one and I sold on the dip at around $69 per share, and it actually dipped all the way back down, but it was still up about 10% today. If we take a look at the 1 month chart, this stock in the past maybe 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks, since March 16th, it's went from about $6 all the way up here, so 800% gain. If you would have got it down here at the beginning of the month about 2 weeks ago, you would be up over 1,200% already. So there's been some big plays like TKAT, OCG obviously was another one. This one was up about 300, 400% obviously, but there's a lot of plays. But in today's video, we're going to be focusing on penny stock NFTs, some speculation. Obviously, a lot of these are just speculation. Nothing is actually set in stone. People are just speculating that it could potentially be a big player, and we're going to be showing you guys 3 penny stocks right now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video, and smash that like button for me, guys. So the first NFT penny stock is going to be Atari. So kicking off the list is going to be Atari. This is going to be a pioneer of the modern gaming. Now, the company has grown into an interactive entertainment company that has influenced generations of gamers throughout history. Its popular titles include Asteroids, Centipede, Missile Command, and of course Pong. Now, the recent focus has been on the company's new console launch of Atari VCS. The PC console hybrid system offers both gaming and entertainment in one place. The company has expanded into tokenization ecosystem with its Atari token for things like in-game purchases. It has also integrated with a robot Catch to support buying and selling of digital games using Atari token in the Robot Catch storefront. Now, where's the NFT connection? Well, aside from the tokenization of digital games, Atari has quietly gotten involved into other tokenization methods. Atari teamed up with Bondly for gaming NFTs. According to the reports, the NFTs will form the backbone of Atari's metaverse. Now, furthermore, it's earlier this month, Atari also partnered with RTFKT Studio on a limited edition fashion series. They will create a limited NFT Atari themed fashion series. So right here, the first collaboration is one of a kind Atari sneaker that, in addition to being an incredible work of art and valuable collectible, will also be available for use across multiplayer blockchain games, including the Decentraland, the Sandbox, and upcoming Atari Metaverse. So let's take a look at this one, guys. Ticker symbol PONGF, Atari is the name of the stock. This one was down actually about 15% today. But one thing you're going to be looking forward to with these ones is obviously they go up quickly and they come back down quickly as well. So if we take a look right here on this chart, this one here at the beginning of March was trading at around 42 cents per share. Went up here to highs of about $1 per share on Monday at the open. So this one hit highs up here, went up over 100%, a little bit over 100%, just in a matter of about 2 or 3 weeks. Obviously, we're going to keep bouncing back and forth. We pulled back down to about 82 cents right now. Volume every single day is pretty high. We're trading between 2 and 10 million shares every single day. So we're going to be looking forward to is obviously for it to follow the trend of other just regular NFT stocks or even other penny stocks. As they progress higher, they should usually follow the trend. It's all based off of hype right now, so we're going to be looking for some actual concrete data coming out in the near future to see how it's tied into the NFT world. But definitely, Atari is definitely one to keep in your radar, as you never know what can happen with the market and what announcements could come out in the near future. So definitely add it to your watch list, and let's see what happens in the long term. As always, guys, before we get into the rest of the countdown, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I appreciate all the support. Subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that. And now let's get into the rest of this video. The second NFT penny stock is going to be Liquid Media. Now this one, they've gotten their origins with Atari, believe it or not. In this case, I think it's an instance of an indirect exposure triggering undertones of bullish sentiment. However, at the heart of the company's model, it's a digital entertainment business. Earlier this month, the company inked a deal with Atari. The distribution agreement with Atari was for Liquid's Slipstream video on demand distribution platform to be available for download on Atari's VCS PC console hybrid. So you see how they're tied in, right? So Atari committed earlier on to make its new VCS a highly versatile home entertainment platform, and we believe Liquid will find a great audience with the VCS ecosystem. It will help us drive forward transformative innovation said the CEO of Liquid. Teaming up with Atari also supports our recalibrated business strategy and offers wider exposure for Liquid's slipstream service, known as the Netflix for adventure outdoor films, and our Real House video community. Now, considering Atari's tokenized ecosystem and focus on the NFT niche, traders have shown some appeal to Liquid's potential involvement. Whether or not there ends up being an indirect or a direct NFT event is to be seen. For now, however, YVR stock has gotten wrapped up in the recent stock market trend. So you guys can see how these two have been kind of tied up, right? So ticker symbol in this one is going to be YVR, Liquid Media Group Ltd. This one was up about 23% today, or about 99 cents, which is pretty huge actually if we take a look right there. This one is up about $5.31. If we take a look at the chart right here, we can see that it's just been on trending on up. I mean, it was trading here about $1.70, $1.80, and then boom, the trend started to go up. For about the past 2 weeks, the stock went from about $1.91 all the way up here to highs of $7.50, which is a huge gain right there of over what, 200-300% plus. That is massive gains. Obviously, we closed out the day today at $5.31, which is still big. We can see volume is picking up. 18 million shares. Then we had 84 million shares. And then here today we had 173 million shares, which was the highest volume day we had in 2021 so far. So huge volume. This one is continuing its trend on up now. Definitely one to watch on your radar. This one is actually my top pick out of the three that I'm going to be showing you on this list. I think this one has the most potential for the long term. As you can see, this run up is already starting to go. And if we can get past that $7.50 area that we had in the previous session, we can continue to go higher and actually go all the way up to about $10 per share, which gives it almost about a 90% upside from right now where we're at. So I definitely think that YVR should be on your watch list because it could be a runner, especially if this NFT hype continues to go throughout the rest of March and continues into April as well. We could definitely have another movement in this one along with the TKAT and all the other ones as they move up. This one might follow them as well. So the third NFT penny stock is going to be Ideanomics, and this one right here, the company itself has taken up more of an investment approach to its business model. It has companies involved with everything from electric vehicles to real estate and many things in between. Now, where do non-fungible tokens come into the mix? Well, Ideanomics portfolio investment Liquify is a platform that turns rights of ownership into smart contracts. Essentially, it allows someone to convert illiquid assets into digital tokens via a tokenization platform. In July 2019, Ideanomics and Neo Global Development led a $2.6 million pre-A funding round. Liquify says that its primary focus is real estate with the future ambitions to enter the exotic asset space, such as sports teams and racing horses. Now, some have speculated on its potential as an NFT stock. However, the company doesn't sell assets like a digital art, memes, or sport clips, etc., etc. But it is worth noting that through Liquify, Ideanomics has some exposure to the tokenization of assets. Does this mean it could be one of the NFT penny stocks to watch, or is this a bit too far off the beaten path for its new niche? Well, let's take a look. I mean, it has potential, but like I said, the second penny stock we talked about was my favorite one on this list. But definitely one to have on your radar just to see if it follows that trend or if some type of news happens in the upcoming weeks. So ticker symbol IDEX. This one was down about 8.5% today, currently trading at $2.82. If we take a look here at the chart, it's been up and down. So end of 2020, we ended up the year at around $2 per share, let's just say around the $2 area. We continued on higher all the way to about $5.53, which gave it over about 130% gains, throughout the end of or beginning of February. Then we saw this pullback as the market pulled back as well, and this one's just been bouncing back. So it hasn't had the crazy moves like the other ones have, because of the NFT push. So this one is still kind of under the radar, I guess you could say. Not many eyes are on it, but just imagine what could happen if this one was to catch some eyes and some volume started to pump on in here. This one could definitely start running on speculation. But if we get news, obviously that would be even better, and that's something that we definitely want to keep an eye out on. So this one, volume, as we can see, I mean, we're trading between 15 and 30 million shares. Some days a little bit higher. We traded about 24 million shares today, and like we said, we were down about 8.5%. But we have this support level right here that seems to be bouncing around the $2.80 area. If we can break through this $3.50 area, we go all the way to about $4, and then after $4, we continue on higher. If we can pass the $5.50 area, obviously, we continue to make new 52-week highs right there, which would be amazing. So definitely one to keep on your watch list to see if it's going to follow the hype as the NFT market right now is booming. A lot of these NFT penny stocks and just in general stocks are moving fast on speculation. There hasn't been, any really hardcore data that's came out lately, but if they do, I can definitely tell you that, the people are going to be on these stocks like hotcakes, and they're going to be flying in price. So definitely, guys, I hope you guys enjoy these three penny stocks that are NFT penny stocks potentially, right? So definitely add them to your radar, add them to your watch list. Let me know if any of these are on your watch list right now. What penny stocks in the NFT area are you trading right now? Or what NFT penny stocks or just in general stocks you're trading right now? Are you trading TKAT or any of the other ones as well? Let me know in the comments below if you find any that I haven't found as well. Share with the other people in the comments. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel, obviously. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, like we said, links are going to be in the description. Get your 2 free stocks, valued up to $1,800. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.